Number 1. The outermost layer of skin is about as thick as a sheet of paper over most of the skin. The answer is C, the epidermis, because the sentence has main verb yaitu is, and jika jawaban A itu sudah ada main verbnya, dan nanti jika dijawab A nanti akan terjadi redundancy. Dan jawaban B, in the epidermis, because the sentence is preposition, and jika jawaban D juga sudah ada main verbnya. Jadi jawaban yang paling tepat adalah C, the epidermis. Number 2. Sam Spade in the Maltese Falcon and Rick Blaine in Casablanca are two of Humphrey Bogart's more famous roles. The answer is D, are two, because the sentence need main verb, and jawaban A salah karena jawaban A itu termasuk pronoun dan kalimatnya itu sudah ada subjeknya. Dan jika jawaban B itu salah karena to be-nya di akhir. Dan jawaban C itu salah karena tidak ada to be-nya. Jadi jawaban yang benar adalah D, are two. Number 3. The compound microscope has not one but two lenses. The answer is B, but. Why but? Kenapa but? Karena dua pernyataan dalam kalimat tersebut itu kontras satu sama lain. The compound microscope has not one dan two lens. Maka untuk menyambungkan dua pernyataan tersebut, kita harus memakai konjungsi but. Number 4. During the Precambrian period, the Earth's format and life first appeared in the sea. The answer is A, because kalimat kedua itu butuh verb, dan kalimat pertama itu past tense, dan kalimat selanjutnya itu pasti juga akan past tense. Jadi jawabannya adalah A, first appear. Number 5. Some general theories of motivation identifying a limited number of central motives from each other. The answer is D, identifying a limited number. Because the sentence is need verb, and jawaban A salah karena number itu digunakan untuk bentuk uncountable noun. Number 6. A stock issued at an infinite price is called what stock? The answer is A, issued, because A, issued, is adjective, and jawaban D is incorrect because the sentence is present tense, dan issued itu termasuk past tense. Number 7. Scientists use the technologies that engineers create, such a microscope, monitor, and methods to conduct their research. The answer is B, the technologies, because the sentence need object, and the sentence subject and verb is kalimatnya lengkap, tetapi ada ruang di belakangnya, dan dapat disimpulkan bahwa ruang yang kosong itu harus diisi oleh objek yang berupa noun. And dalam pilihan tersebut yang paling benar adalah B, the technologies. Number 8. Anyone who has ever pulled weeds from a garden is well aware that roots firmly anchors plants to the soil. Aware adalah adjective, and the sentence needs mind verb, yaitu is, and aware of itu diikuti noun atau noun phrase, sedangkan root firmly anchors plants to the soil adalah clause. Nah, jadi jawaban yang paling tepat adalah B, is well aware that. Number 9. All team sports require cooperation. The answer is C, all. Kenapa dijawab C? Karena all itu setelahnya adalah verb, dan jika jawaban A, of all, itu tidak ada adanya all of, dan jika jawaban B itu salah karena sudah ada subjek dan verbnya, dan jika jawaban D itu salah karena kalimatnya adalah kalimat pertanyaan. Jadi jawaban yang paling benar adalah C, all. Number 10. Almost everyone fails to pass the driver's test on the first try. The answer is C, to pass. Karena ada kata files, jadi setelah kata files itu butuh infinitif, dan jawaban B itu salah karena setelah kata to itu harus verb 1. Jadi jawaban yang benar adalah C, to pass. Number 11. Only 20 years ago, most of doctors agreed not to be truthful with their terminally ill patients, a trend that has received itself in modern medical practice. The answer is B, not to be. Karena kalimat ini butuh infinitif, dan infinitif itu harus menggunakan verb 1. Number 12. William Torrey Harris was one of the first educators in establishing a logical progression of topics in the school curriculum. The answer is A, in establishing, because in itu digunakan setelah tertarik, dan pembentukan ing itu digunakan setelah preposisi masuk. Number 13. Loa of flat-topped hills erected by the ancient mound builder people as towns and brilliant states. The answer is B, has a large number, because the sentence needs main verb. Number 14. Vermont, commonly known as the Green Mountain State, refused to join the Union until 1791. The answer is A, to join the Union, because setelah refuse itu harus to infinitive. Number 15. 9 of every 10 people in the world live in the country in which they were born. The answer is D, live, because subjeknya itu plural, maka verbnya juga harus plural, yaitu live. Number 16. When the silkworms get through to lay its egg, it dies. Jawaban B salah, seharusnya itu bukan to lay but to laying. And number 17. Both and term paper and final exam is often required for a college class. Jawaban B salah, not is but are. Number 19. Not one in 100 seeds develop into a healthy plant even under laboratory conditions. Jawaban B salah, bukan develop, but develops. Number 20. In order to grow well, the bush spruce, like other pine trees, require a temperate climate. D. Salah, not require but requires. Number 21. Fair Airport, the United States, is modern as that of Atlanta. Not is, but are, because the sentence is singular. Number 22. Work on improving industrial disposal methods were begun in the early 1970, shortly after the Clean Air Bill was passed by Congress. Not where, but was. Number 23. The officials of the Board of Elections asked that each voter present their registration card and a valid Texas driver's license before receiving a ballot. Not present, but presence. Number 24. If one has a special medical condition such as diabetes, epilepsy, or allergy, it is advisable that they carry some kind of identification in order to avoid being given improper medication in an emergency. Not they, but he or his, and carries. Number 25. In the 1920 article, known for plastic and chrome plate objects were very popular. Not were, but was. Okay, thank you.